Welcome back to All This Math. This is Professor Parker. If you're here, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right. Share this video with somebody. And also, if you have any questions about what I'm about to explain, please put your questions or your comments in the comment section. Also, I want to give a shout out to the ancestor, Rosa Parks, right? And the work that she did. Make sure you are familiar with Rosa Parks and the work that she was involved in the NAACP and the Montgomery bus boycott of 1955. With the Republic of New Africa. Make sure you look into that. All right. Now, quick 10 drawings. This is what we're doing today. We're doing quick 10 drawings. We're using quick 10 drawings to add two-digit numbers, 14 and 17 in this particular case. 14 plus 17 equals what? We're going to use quick 10 drawings. How does this help us? It helps us because, and it's going to help your children because it prepares them for algebra, which they'll see later on, where they have to combine like terms and organize their parts of the problem, their parts of the equations, and make, or their parts of the expressions, right? So they can simplify, right? Which is something that's very important for them to know how to do. So I'm going to represent 14 with symbols, right? I'm going to ask myself, how many 10s are in the number 14? 1. That's why there's a 1 in the 10s, please. How many 1s are in the number 14? 4. That's why there's a 4 in the 1s, please, right? So how do I represent 10? I use a vertical bar. That's the symbol I use. I use a vertical bar, all right? So I got one group of 10, so I put one vertical bar. Now, how many 1s do I have? I have 4, so I put 4 small circles. 4 small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's 14. Then 17. How do I represent 17? One vertical bar, because it's 110, and 7 small circles. So I got one vertical bar, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now, next thing I do, now it's time to combine like terms. Combine all your 10s. Combine all your 10s. How many 10s I got? 1 and 1. That makes 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. That means I got 2 groups of 10. 2 groups of 10. 2 groups of 10 is 20. So 10 plus 10 is 20, and 10 times 2 is 20. So this is a way to show your children the relationship between addition and multiplication. You get 20 either way. So we're going to write 20, right? Then we're going to put a plus sign. Why a plus sign? Because I still got to add my 1s. I still got to add my 1s. All right, now let's count up all the 1s. The 1s are the little circles. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so that's 11. So I write 11 right here. Now, if my add-in, my second add-in, this 20 is my first add-in, my 11 is my second add-in. We call that an add-in. Those are the numbers that we add together to get a sum. A sum is the answer when we do an addition problem. All right, if my add-in is greater than 10, I'm going to make another quick 10 drawing to break this down. So I say, how many 10s are in this? 1. So I put one vertical bar. How many 1s are in this? 1. So I put one little circle. And then I say, okay, well, 20 plus 10 is 30. Because how many 10s do I have altogether? I got 3. I already got 2 10s and another 10. Altogether, that's 3 10s, which is 30. And then we got 1. 30 plus 1. 30 plus 1 is 31. Now, how do we know that? Because if you count on from 30, you get 31, basically. Or if you know that 0 plus 1 is 1, then 30 plus 1 should be 31. So that means that 14 plus 17 is equal to 31. And also 14 plus 17 is equivalent to 20 plus 11. And it's equivalent to 30 plus 1. So all three of these expressions are equivalent to each other. All three of these expressions are equivalent to each other. 14 plus 17, 20 plus 11, 30 plus 1. They're all equivalent to each other. They're called equivalent expressions. All right. So make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure that you send this video to at least one other person. Actually, at least 2 people. I'm up to Annie. Send it to at least 2 other people. Put it in your group chat somewhere. All right. And if you got any questions, put your questions in the comment section. All right. See y'all later.